Hello guys, today we are going to look at how to create a pop-up card effect in After Effects. So all you need is a image you want to make the card into, and yeah, first create a new composition and name your composition. I'm gonna name it card, and create solid of your preference for the card. So I'm going to roughly create my card of this size. To make the card more good looking, I'm going to mess with some settings. Go to the FX panel and simply check for the roundness and increase as your preference. I'm going to increase it till here, and yeah, that's it. In order to add the image inside the card, just drag and drop our image to the source panel, and yeah, it's already okay. And rescale the image according to your needs. I'm going to keep it around here. Yeah, around here. Yeah, that looks fine to me. And yeah, that's our basic card. So in order to make that pop-up card effect for our card, we're going to use keyframes for the position. So simply select the card and press P on your keyboard to bring the position menu, and at the beginning the card should be out of the visible area. So press the timer icon to enable the keyframe for the position, and at the beginning we need to bring the card out of the screen by increasing the Y coordinate value till the card is no longer visible. Yeah, now it's not visible, and after a certain moment in time we need to bring the card into the view area. So after a desired time, decrease the Y coordinate value till the card is back in the visible area. So I'm going to reduce the value, and yeah, this looks fine to me. And now our basic pop-up card animation is done. As you can see, in order to make the transformation more pleasing, you can use ease in effect. Simply select the keyframes, right click and go to keyframe assistant, select ease in, and now you have the smooth ease in pop-up card. And as you can see, the image is not moving along with the card, only the card is having this pop-up effect. In order to make sure the image is also moving along with the card, we need to use parenting technique. In the parenting column, select the image first, and in the images parenting column, in the drop down, select the shape layer you have created, and now the image should be moving along with the card, creating this pop-up effect. And that's it for the simple pop-up card. For the version 2, we are going to use a different image in order to show you a different technique to make the image overflown by the card, so that it looks as though the card is encompassing the image. In order to make this effect to work, make sure the shape layer is above the image and the image size is larger than the card. If your image size is smaller, simply press yes while selecting the image and resize the scaling to make the image larger than the card. And once you have the desired image size, select the image, and in the track matte drop down, select the shape layer you have created, and bam, now you have this cool looking card image effect where the image is being cut by the edges of the card, creating this cool card pop-up animation. But if you observe, the pop-up effect is not working like before. That is because while changing the image we forgot to add the parenting, so don't forget to do that. Select the image, and in the parent section select the shape layer you have created. Now it should be working accordingly. So there we have it, the pop-up card effect. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit that like button, and if you want tutorials on any more topic, more techniques, please put it in the comment section and I'll make sure to make a video on that. Thank you.